guys, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to Sewing Talk Tuesday. So today I am going to try and keep my voice. We have had some really terrible wildfires here in Colorado, and also again, allergies have kind of kicked up. You can probably hear that my voice goes in and out. So sometimes it clears up and other times it just gets worse. But that is from the smoke from the fires, unfortunately. So I do apologize for that, but that's the way it goes. So I am battling that. Anyway, I wanted to share with you, since it is Sewing Talk Tuesday, some things that are happening. Things that I'm pretty excited about. So I placed an order on Amazon for some extra large laundry bags. And this is what they look like. As you can see, they're very, very large. And you're probably asking yourself, what do you do with those? Well, I will be doing a tutorial on this, but this is something that I do for every grandbaby in my family. And so since we have a new one, and this will be his first Christmas this year, I will be making him a Santa bag. And what I do with these is I personalize this bag, and it says, to grandbaby from Santa at the North Pole, and it has a stamp and all this delivery stuff, and it's got Santa and his reindeer. It's really cute. It's really cool. I do this with my Cricut heat transfer vinyl and also my heat press. So like I said, I will be doing a tutorial on this in the upcoming weeks, and I will show you how I do it, and it's super, super cute, and you will love it. I made one for my first grandson. I'm getting ready to do this for my second grandson. So what I do with this is I fill it full of toys for their first Christmas. And then I buy them a big teddy bear from Costco. I was actually begged by my kids not to buy the second baby a big teddy bear because they already have the super big one from before. So I bought him a super big Mickey Mouse. So, hey, I'm a grandma. I can do that. So anyway, it is going to be super cute. And I can't wait to show you when it's done. You'll love it. Really cute. So the next thing that I am working on is I have been hired to do a T-shirt quilt. And yes, I will be showing you how we do this because I will be videoing the whole entire process of it. I will be doing this as Quilt as You Go because this is going to be a queen-sized quilt. It is going to be the Avengers. So there's a bunch of different t-shirts for that. I will be using my 15.5-inch ruler. So these will be extremely large squares. The backing will be a flannel, and it's Avengers flannel. So just wanted to show you that as well. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm still working on our table runner, Sophie's Pumpkin Patch. I have gotten a lot done. I am still videoing it. The quilt kits are limited, very, very limited. I will let you know when those will be available and how many I will have. But this is what it looks like so far. Is not even close to being done. I mean, it is close, but you know, there's a few more things. I got to add another border, the backing, the batting. I got to quilt it and then put the binding around it. But that is all in the video that I am recording for that. It is quite a process, and honestly, the cutting of the materials is taking me longer than I had anticipated. But part of the reason for that is that we are having a lot of home improvement work done here at our house, and so I have kind of had to really kind of take a step back and work on things that are very, very necessary and kind of prioritize, you know, what I'm doing at the moment because, you know, I got to get my home stuff done too. So we just had a bathroom actually done. My brother-in-law finished doing the tile in the shower area and also a new tile on the floor, and it looks amazing. And now we are getting ready to have our granite countertops installed, and that should be done within the next couple of weeks. And then we're also getting a new roof. So lots of stuff happening here at my house. It doesn't normally happen like that, you know, like all at once, but for some reason right now it's just kind of happening real fast, which will be good. It'll be nice because it'll be done just in time for, you know, the holidays, for Christmas. Trying to think of what else. I will be showing you how I make my grandson's stocking. So I also make all my grandbabies a Christmas stocking. And I do it a little bit differently because my family has a tradition in the way that we make baby stocking, or make a stocking for babies or new family members that join our family, like a husband or a wife or something like that. So I'll show you how we do that. It's really cool. We make our stockings out of felt. My great grandma started making them, and it's just kind of been passed down through the generations, and that we just kind of keep that going. So it's cool. I know there's a lot of different ways to make stockings, but that's how my family does ours, and I'm going to keep with that tradition and do it. Hopefully, if you see that and you like it, you'll want to continue on with it as well. You know, it's kind of funny over the years how things modify a little bit. I know when my mom made mine, when I was a baby, she sat there and hand sewed every little single button and every letter and everything on my stocking. And I don't quite do mine that way. So mine consists of, you know, using a heat press, heat vinyl. I use buttons, yes. I do sew some of them in, some of them I glue on. You know, it just depends. So yeah, it's just kind of interesting how things kind of take on their own, you know, you change as you go along. Is there anything else that's really happening? I don't really think there is. I'm just busy getting cutting the quilt kits. I need to make some baby bibs and some baby bandanas, and what else am I trying to say? Bibs and burp cloths. Couldn't come up with that one, huh? The burp cloths. So I'm working on that as well. I'm trying to think. I know there was something else that I wanted to talk to you guys about, and now I cannot remember for the life of me. Oh yes, I do remember now. So we're going to talk a little bit about the sampler quilt. So we have 2 more blocks that need to be made in the sampler quilt. So I threw it out there and asked people for suggestions on what kind of a block you would like to see. I have had a request for 9-patch, what to do with a 9-patch. So I did do a quilt block a while back called the disappearing 9-patch. But there are a bunch of different variations that you can do with a 9-patch block. So I'd like to keep it simple. And I will be doing one with a 9-patch. And then the other one was requested that I do something with flying geese. So I will be doing something with flying geese as well, so that you can add that to your sampler quilt. And I'm so excited and so glad that everybody is having such a good time doing that. And then what we'll do is once we have all of the blocks made, then we're going to square them up, or we're going to add to them. And then you'll be ready to put your blocks together for your quilt, so that you'll be able to have them ready to go for Christmas. Because I know a lot of you are doing that for a loved one. So I want you to have enough time to get it quilted and do whatever you need to do with that. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with all of mine yet on the quilt wall. I have some ideas that I've kind of tossed around. But as we get going, we'll go from there. Right now, I've got a lot of projects going. So, I'm not going to make any promises right now. I want to thank you all for 18,000 subscribers. So yay, we've hit that. And I couldn't do it all without you guys. So I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. When we get to 20,000, I will be having another big giveaway. So I haven't decided yet on what I will be giving away that time, but I have something in mind for that, and I think you're going to love it. And so that is it for me today. So if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to share it, feel free to do that. Sharing is caring. And please go ahead and click that notification bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video by becoming a subscriber. And keep on crafting. That's it for me today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.